You can work on social skills in person or virtually in one of Autism Behavior Services Inc.'s social groups. Visit our website or call us to get started today.
Adam, you're missing a few assignments. Are you sure they're not in your backpack?
They probably are. I keep everything in here. Just call me Mr. Organized. I think it's right here.
Well, Mr. Organized, I hate to tell you this, but your backpack is a mess.
There, I'm all done. Now I can play a math game.
Lucky?
Adam, you haven't even started. Why are you using a pencil and paper? Mr. Forsberg wants us to write our responses on laptops.
I know I left mine at home. It's not my fault though.
What do you mean?
Well, my dad was trying to help me with my homework. We needed to use my laptop. It was dead. He told me to charge it. Because of that, I left it charging and forgot to put it in my backpack. So because of my dad yelling at me to charge my laptop, I do not have it.
Adam, do you need help getting started with the assignment?
No, I just don't have a pencil. I thought I had some in my backpack.
I can get you one. Is that all you need to do the assignment?
I'm good. I actually think I have some pencils. I just didn't look everywhere in my backpack. Oh wait, they need to be sharpened. Do you have a pencil sharpener, Mr. Forsberg?
Adam, you really need to be more organized.
Adam is having a tough time being organized at school. This also affects being organized in a lot of other things he does. Let's look at some ways Adam can work his organizational skills at school that will have a big impact over time. Adam's backpack was very unorganized. This makes it hard for him to keep track of his schoolwork and assignments. Also, if the teacher or administrators need to send anything home to his parents, there's a good chance he'll never get it. All of this could be solved if those papers were put in a 3-ring binder or some other type of organizer. Each subject could easily be labeled, and then Adam would know where every paper is for every subject. Unfortunately, Adam finds his laptop is often dead when he needs it in class. Every day when Adam gets home from school, he should charge his notebook near his backpack. By doing this, Adam will have a charged laptop, and it won't be dead when he needs it at school or at home. Also, since it will be charging near his backpack, that will be a good visual reminder to put it in there and take it to school. Adam should always make sure that he has at least a few sharpened pencils in his backpack. He should also have some erasers, pens, and if he doesn't like regular pencils, he should ask his parents to purchase some mechanical ones. This way, he is always prepared if he has to work on his laptop, or if the teacher asks students to do their work in hard copy form.
Adam, you're missing a few assignments. Are you sure they're not in your backpack?
They probably are. I keep everything in here. Just call me Mr. Organized. What assignment am I missing?
Wow. Adam, your folder looks great. You really are Mr. Organized.
There, I'm all done. Now I can read my Maze Runner book.
I'm almost done too.
Hey, you remembered your laptop today.
It's easy to remember. Now I leave it next to my backpack by the front door. I also charge it up every day after school.
Great job being on it today, guys. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks. As long as my mechanical pencils have lead, I'll be just fine. I like the way they feel in my hand better than regular ones.
You're doing a great job being organized at school, Adam.
Thanks.